Government. So on behalf of the district body, the value and pursuit of higher education and teaching, your parents instilled in you from an early age. Ahead.
Congratulations. They have its challenges and ups at different times, but it's
how would it suggest if it didn't exist? President Vinson takes on spend time with his president and the world and implemented the outdoor. I agree. Congratulations.
I first met Dr. Vinson as a co-chair of the research committee for all in our power to support Dr. Vinson's
Thank you for your inspiration. Those of you in the audience, it's 2 years ago. I sincerely concrete road things. Quite simple. It's embedded in that famous call and response slogan that we chant people always use. The giants who have graced this campus, which about them? We do know. And I was struck by what that means. It was alumni. 24 reasons. I saw him leaving the fields with blazing attention. Look at his face, it was transfixed. He ignited and instilled in them the confidence to succeed on. That's all. Social responsibility. Yes, it's much more than this. Chorale and Vinson III under the direction of Eric O'Poole, Artistic Director.